Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix AliExpress payment failed. Now this happened to me multiple times on AliExpress, and when I contact the support they always come up with some bullshit thing. I don't know exactly what they are saying, so they're just trying to tell me hi, you need to change the card and stuff like that. They change the card and still the same problem. So to fix this problem guys, there are multiple things you can do, because only God knows exactly what they did to block you or what they did to make you not able to buy from AliExpress. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys multiple methods that will work for you. Just follow the exact same like steps in this tutorial and you will be able to solve this problem. I would highly guys appreciate if you can drop a like on this video so that more people can see this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started right now. I'm going to log in into my AliExpress account. Okay, so first method that worked for me multiple times is to change the address. Now I'm not saying you need to change the whole address, you just need to go to your shipping address. Okay, and what you guys need to do, you want to click on edit and now try to change the address. Like you just need to change, for example, you can make the name, like the characters, bigger. For example, I'm going to add here my own name, as you can see here. And as you can see, when it comes to address, you can add another something like a number or something like that, like if they blocked your address, because most of the time that's exactly what they do. Okay, keep in mind guys, I am not talking with people who, like, this is the first time buying from AliExpress. Like if this is your first time, probably you have a problem with your credit card. Like you have to go to your application, you have to go to open your bank application and make sure you enable international payments, because otherwise you will not be able to buy anything from like websites, from like to buy anything on websites like AliExpress or any website that is not in your country. Okay, so any website you use dollars to buy, you will have guys to enable that in your bank application, or you can contact the bank to enable that for you. Okay, just in case some people are going to watch this video, this is their first time. Now for people who already purchased many times from AliExpress, just change the address. Okay, make some difference in your address. Okay, make some difference, and you can also change the phone number to your mom's number or your dad. That's what I did multiple times. Okay, another way which is going to work for you if this one doesn't work for you is to change the Wi-Fi. Okay, you have to like send or share your data, your mobile data to your laptop, okay, in order to purchase the item. Okay, so because probably they blocked your Wi-Fi for a new reason, I don't know exactly why. Like I said, there is no like clear answer from AliExpress. They always come up with some thing that has no meaning. Like you just need to think about it all day and you will not answer you will not answer you will not understand exactly what they are saying. Okay, so just try to change the Wi-Fi, try to purchase the item using your phone, for example, of like download AliExpress on your phone and try to purchase that item. Now if you tried it on your phone, that means the credit card, there is something wrong with the credit card, so try to change it too. Like they said that to me multiple times, and sometimes it works. So you have to change the credit card. Make sure also the address on credit card is the same as your address on AliExpress. Okay, if this doesn't work, then what you guys need to do, you want to call your friend or something to give you their device and try to purchase the item from their own AliExpress account. And of course, you don't need to save the payment there, the payment methods, which is like your credit card details. Just pay that, and then the credit card will be removed from their device immediately after you pay. Okay, so another way is to change your browser. Now if you are using, for example, AliExpress on Google Chrome, just download, for example, Brave. Okay, it always works on Brave, so you just need to search here for Brave and download their browser, and you will be able to just try to create a new AliExpress account. Okay, and then pay and then search for the item that you want to purchase and pay for it. Okay, so Brave always works for this. Okay, it's the best browser, and also like it doesn't share your information, so it's the best. Okay, so let me guys know if you still have this problem. Let me know in the comments, guys. I will reply to you guys with other solutions. I have like this thing happened to me like a lot because I do drop shipping from AliExpress to eBay, so I always deal with these problems. Like if this like tutorial didn't help you, let me know guys in the comments. I will reply to you guys with more solutions. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial.